Out of the subway station, and I'm trying to find Omoide Yokocho.
Are we going down that road?
Oh, there it is. Omoide Yokocho.
Nothing was open.
Yeah.
Or maybe.
Tuna. Oh, look at that. Let's see. What a cool place.
Mogwai not for sale.
Found this little place up a staircase in your Omoide Yokocho. And I've got the 5-fish sashimi. Well, that was amazing. I could eat another plate of that. Found this little hole in the wall place. This is really good. That was delicious. I got the 5-fish option. It said $16.80 on the menu. They charged me $1,800. They say it's at $1,800. Whatever. I'm cool. That's still, what, $10? It was delicious. So that's it, and the food was good. Maybe a little pricier than other places, but it was good. Oh, place right here.